I was like, I thought that's why you were like that.
Are we on? Are we on? Is this thing on? Yeah, there we go.
Hello?
Welcome to the...
Keys to unlock your life.
That, what he said.
Have you ever had the feeling that you're just off, that you're just not yourself, and that something is wrong? Feeling unhappy with yourself, not liking where your life is going? Well, here's a solution. Here's something that might help you out. Keys to unlock your life.
That means you have the power to change your life, which is the same to say you have the responsibility to change your life. Now, I've been slacking off on that responsibility, and this is where this guy comes in, because he's going to basically just push me on all the areas of my life that I've been slacking off in the name of spirituality or whatever, because we'll get into it. But anyway, welcome. Are we rolling?
Yes. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we are. Okay, so I'm here. Danny here from Holistic Within.
Luis from Sumo Estrella Breath and Balance.
And this is, hey, what is this? What are we gonna call this?
I was like,